A lot of people say that you assume it is yours and you will get it, but there's one complication. What do you do if your old self tries to pull you back? Everyone knows this feeling. You make one step forward, two steps backwards. Why does it happen, right? What can you do about it? It feels frustrating. In this video, I will talk about how you can use the law of assumption without getting pulled back. This law was preached by the famous Neville Goddard. Okay, and I myself used a lot of these things on my YouTube channel. Okay, and especially in this video, and this transformed my life because the past I was super shy and had social phobia, but then I changed. I will cover with you 3 points. Okay, if you use these 3 points, you will use the law of assumption in a way without getting pulled back and really getting what you want in the long term. Now, the first point is imagination. Okay, your imagination creates your reality if you think it often enough and intense enough, right? Now, what do I mean with intensity? Intensity is like some kind of fuel. It's like the fuel for a car. Car only drives when it has fuel, right? And what is the fuel for imagination is your emotion, right? The more you can tap into this frequency, this is the most important thing for creating the reality. The more you can tap into this frequency of your ideal self, of this future, the more you will manifest what you want, really. And the other important thing is, what would your ideal day look like, right? What would your ideal day look like with the kind of people that you want to attract, for example, right? And how would your character look like? Or what kind of people you will want to attract? How would their character look like, right? So find 3 character traits and write them down. By the way, if you want to attract more spiritual and ambitious people that are into business, just join my Facebook group down below. This is literally the fastest way to connect with such people. Now, the second point is, what will be your beliefs be? Like, choose 3 beliefs that you need to have to manifest that kind of future, right? To manifest your ideal future. When it comes to your ideal future and you're visualizing that, just focus on the vision in 1 year, right? Integrate multiple of your goals in one big vision that you have in 1 year, okay? As a perfect day. You will experience that day as your perfect day. So multiple of your goals will be integrated in this perfect day. The other thing that you can choose is like 3 things that say something about your appearance. So how will your appearance change? How would you look like? Would you smile more? Would you dress differently? Right? What will be different about you? The second step is that you assume like it is already yours, but in the right way. Now, one thing that I already said is very important is that you tap into this emotion. This is your fuel, the energy behind it that lets everything manifest, right? Now, what else can you do? The thing is, all you have to do is literally ask yourself, okay, what would I do if that what I want will be already on my way? Or how would your ideal self act if it will be already yours, right? How would you act if it will be already yours? For example, if you want to have a Lamborghini, then you just visit an exhibition and you just sit in one, right? You just ask if you can sit there, and then you feel this kind of feeling that you will have. It's like it's already yours. So you do things and behave like it's already yours, and you stay in that as long as possible. Just ask yourself on top of that every day, how would your ideal self act? And a bonus from me is find every day, for every day, evidence that it's already true, that you're becoming more and more this kind of person. Find every day at least one evidence that you are becoming more this kind of person. This is how your new beliefs will be formed, through this evidence. The last step is about how to let go of your old self, right? Many people talk about that you should just ignore your old self and then what you want will manifest. This is not correct. What they actually mean with that is that you are conscious, okay? So if you just suppress it, it will manifest, because what you will suppress, it will find a way out somehow. So you need to become conscious and observe your old self. And many people think it's bad if your old self appears. But if you want to manifest what you want, and right now out of nowhere your old self appears, this is actually really great, because this is a sign that you're at the edge of manifesting what you want, right? You are in front of the door at this stage where your wildest dream will come soon true, right? Otherwise, the old self won't appear. It appears especially if you are on this edge and you start to become this new self. So if it appears, it's not a bad sign. It's actually a good sign, because it will appear anyway if you go out of your comfort zone, right? So you become aware of your emotions and your thoughts. You go beyond your thoughts and your emotions, right? As you begin to be this pure awareness, and as you feel these emotions like in a meditation where you're experiencing that, your old self dissolves, because everything dissolves in pure awareness. That counts also for your old self. The only time it doesn't happen is when you fight it. So when you fight it, when you try to suppress it, hope like it's not there, this is when you will sabotage yourself and get 2 steps back again. And after you just feel that and go through this resistance and feel this resistance, just ask yourself, what is the blessing in disguise, right? Or what is the positive about that? It will be easier once you have accepted that. You will notice this is also a chance for you to grow. I hope this video helped you. If you want to find similar people, join my Facebook group that you can connect with similar people that are into business and spirituality. And I see you next time. Bye bye.